Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by unlocking the Redmi K20 Pro and opening recent apps. This puts both running apps within reach. Tap the app icon at the top of its recent card to open the options menu. This is the only reliable trigger. Choose split screen from that menu so the first app anchors to the top or left half of the screen. Once done, you've prepared the first pane. Make sure the app supports multi-window because some apps refuse to split. Next, with the first app fixed, select the second app you want to run alongside it. You can pick it from recent or open it from home. The system will place it into the remaining half automatically. Once the second app appears, use the black divider handle to drag and resize each pane for better focus or multitasking. You can press home to keep both apps visible while switching to other tasks that don't replace these split windows. To finish, drag the divider fully to one edge or tap the app icon in the split and choose End Split. That closes dual view. If you don't see split screen in the menu, make sure MIUI is updated. Updates restore missing options. And always use the recent app icon method, since quick toggle isn't the reliable path on this device. If the second app refuses to open, restart the phone or force stop the app, then reattempt split to recover normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.